You know, one of the things that I've wanted for a while was a switcher. Now, we haven't done as many streaming videos as I'd like to in the last little while, and there's a couple reasons for it. Of course, some travel has played a big role, and that mic's way out of the way. Hold on. I was wondering the other day why my audio sounded far, but I think that may be the reason. Maybe. We'll try that. Anyways, I want to be getting back into it soon, but we have a puppy, which takes a lot of my time. And we were waiting actually for this to arrive. Now, this is the OSEE, I believe you pronounce it OSEE, GoStream Deck. Now, this has not yet been released, so just realize that this is like a pre-production model as far as I know. We have some firmware updates that we have to do to this that OSEE actually sent to us to kind of work out some bugs. Today's video is strictly going to be an unboxing, and we're going to kind of talk about what this is, what it's kind of competing with, and some of the features that you can get with it. And of course, we'll open the box and see what it comes with. Okay, so number one, and I don't have a price or anything for this right now, but when I talked to OSEE, they said that this was, I'll see if I can actually get what they said here, because I was like, so what is it? Because I need to look at some information. And they said, this is what they said. For this switcher, because the product page is not available, once it's available, they'll send it. It will have the same similar functions to the Atem Mini Pro. At the same time, it has some functions that the Mini Pro is missing. Well, that's good. I don't know the price. So of course I went over here and looked at the Blackmagic design Atem Mini Pro switcher. Canadian wise, you're looking at about $425. And this is, live streaming via Ethernet if you want on the Mini Pro, record direct to USB flash disks. That's actually really cool. Monitor sources and status with the Mini Pro multi-view. Add exciting video effects. Very cool. Because a lot of times you and I, what we're doing now is we are bringing information through capture cards, etc., etc. So I'm guessing this may allow everything to kind of come into this, and you do all the switching from here, which could be really good, right? Works with professional microphones, automatically converts HDMI input source, includes Atem software, control panel, etc., etc. You guys can kind of see what the Atem Mini Pro has. Yes? Now, Blackmagic. We've all heard of them, right? My hope is that, not that I have a lot of input sources, but have enough, game consoles, multicams, microphones, etc., etc. If I can get them to all kind of come in here and have a switch with this, that could be pretty cool. So this is, again, the OSEE GoStream Deck. The box looks pretty final, but it's not. Built-in control software, so again, seems similar to the Atem Mini. All-in-one solution, single device for switching, streaming, and recording. Sweet multi-destination streaming, so direct streaming up to 3 destinations simultaneously. Again, very cool. In the field, a multiple interface adapt to versatile live events. Now, you may be wondering, hey, who is this OSEE? Who is this OSEE? And I'm like, well, it seems that they are mostly right now kind of a monitor, right? They deal with all kinds of on-camera monitors, production monitors, different production monitors, on-camera accessories, right? So, and supposedly they do have another monitor coming out, which is kind of cool. They have a calibrator, etc., etc. But this is what's in the back end right now being developed. What else does it say in here? Anything else on here? Anything? Oh yeah, it's got some more stuff on the back here. Here we go. Complete streaming solution, which is awesome. GoStream Deck integrates the AV switcher, video recorder, video player, and streaming engine into one package. Awesome. Multi-destination streaming, up to 3 destinations such as YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch all at once. Yeah, that's something I've been interested in, because there's a lot of like Restream, for instance, but I believe you have to pay for that. Now, it's not that you get this for free, but not monthly, I don't believe. Built-in control. The GoStream Deck is equipped with an internal UI. All of the settings can be achieved with this. No external control software running on a PC is needed. A user-definable macros providing one-button transitions for complicated effects. Very cool. Monitoring. Yep. Flexible interfaces. HDMI camera, USB camera. Cool. Audio mixer, microphone can be connected to the GoStream Deck input. Well, this could just really bring all my stuff together. An interface with the deck to the presentation destination, and powerful effects like picture-in-picture, chroma key, talk, show window, PowerPoint presentations, logos, and lower third overlays can be generated. It seems like it should be a really great box. And again, I've always was looking at the Atem Minis and the Atem Mini Pros, but I was like, I don't know. But now this could be all you need. This could be all you need, especially for those of us either doing semi-pro, hobby, something like that. Ready? I'm hoping that it's all like Mac goodness. Now, the reason we're not delving into it much today is that I'm going to play with it for the next week or so. And that video should come out actually closer to when this video comes out. As well as OSEE has sent me, as you guys can see here, right? They've sent me some actual how to update some firmware. So there is some firmware that is out there right now. So that's kind of important for me to do. Oh, that is kind of sexy. I'm going to say it. Kind of sexy. So we're going to put that there. Hello, I'm OSEE, the best video assistant. Excellent. So this is where you can download the firmwares, user manuals, and support. Put that over there. We have a GoStream Deck quick start guide. Very nice. I like what I'm seeing here. It's all printed nice and large. And then we have a box full of, I'm guessing, connectors, like power connectors, all kinds. All right, so what do we got here? This would be, so it's just our plug. So depending on where you are in the world, right, there's going to be your plug. If you're like European, then you got this one. If you're good old like North American standard, you have this one. So we're just going to slide that in. Sweet deal. Plug, power, good. Sounds like all of it. I'm going to leave those little manuals out there though, because that's important. You don't need the European one right now, but maybe you're traveling. Or it was funny, we just got back from a cruise, and of course on the cruise ship they do have North American plug outlets, but they also have European one. So to get more outlets, I just brought an adapter so I could use the US ones and the Europe ones. Smart, right? Oh yeah. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm liking this little guy. First off, you guys see that? It is a nice size. I don't know the physical size of like the Mini, but it's got a nice slider on it. There's all your, you guys can see it here, right? There's all your, and we're just doing an unboxing here. So I'm guessing these are going to be your inputs, right? That you can kind of switch between. You got a cut, auto, fade to black, let's go to stills. There's tons of stuff here. Here's your records and plays, on air. I'm gonna have to read a manual without question. Let's look at the actual inputs. Oh look, tons of inputs here. Yes, so you got phones, so that's gonna be your headphones. Turn it here, headphones. You have mic 1, mic 2, and these are 3.5 inch. So these are 3.5, not 3.5 inch. These are 3.5 millimeters, so just kind of realize that. If you're plugging in XLR, I don't think you're going through that. That's okay. But look at this. Mic or input, USBs, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. And then out, 2 outs, very cool. And then 2 USB ins, because they did say that it has USB in. There's your 12 volt for power, which is this fella right here, and an Ethernet. So for me, for instance, we'll use this as for instance, Xbox, cool. I could plug in my PlayStation, cool. I could plug in my Switch, cool. I could plug in my computer, cool. And then I could go out to, let's say you could go out just to your monitor, yes, or out to your, I guess out to your other computer, which is doing possibly your capture. and then you have inputs. That would be, again, I would think, I'm not 100% sure till I go through all the information, which you'll see again, future video. So hit the notification bell, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. But these could be like, let's say USB cameras, right? So let's say I'm streaming possibly off my like ZV-1F, which actually has the ability to stream out of the USB port. Maybe I could connect them into there so you have two that way. I do like the looks. It's nice. It's simple. You can easily, this would easily be able to be carried into a, oh, look at that. Does it come with one? It does come with a 16 gig SanDisk. So you can record straight to card if you wanted. So you could be just completely on location. My guess is without even computer, right? Or let's say you just have a little monitor on the side, or you had your computer on the side or whatever, which this is outputting to. You could probably get it to record straight to SD card. Put in like 128 gig SD card. Maybe record as backup. Very cool indeed. I'm just curious to hear how this thing lights up, because that's important, right? So let's plug this in. I do like that it has the kind of lock plug, so you know that's not going to come off at any time. And we have a power button. Power. Because nothing is physically plugged into it. There's no lights, right? Is my, oh, there it goes. There is lights. There's your menu. So a lot more reading, but again, this is a first look. So stay tuned with this channel, me, because we're going to delve into this in a second video. Again, give me a week or so to play with it so I can figure out how this thing works, and I'm going to actually test it in my streaming area. All right, guys. OSEE GoStream Deck. Looks like it could be cool. Oh, yes. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm excited for this one. Oh, yes. Later, guys.